Yes, hello guys, welcome to this our wonderful video of today. So in today's video I just want to continue to teach you where we ended, how you can make money through plantain suckers multiplication. So these are our suckers that are growing. We can see the number of sucker that we have been able to produce as far as this one is concerned. So those that are above the earth surface, we can have you have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this way, 12, 13, 14, 15. So those are the number that we're having now. Let me count again. Maybe I'm making a mistake. Let me start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 here that we can see with our eyes at this level. So what I'm going to do in this video of today, I'm going to dig it so that let's see the total number of plantain that this sucker alone has given us, because this one here we can count 13 that we can see with our eyes, but we want to see what is happening under. So we are going to dig, and when we are digging, we are digging very slowly and gently, because we know that there are still many more suckers that are still germinating. You can see how this one here is already shooting another one at the corner. That is to show that this our experiment has to do. So this is another one here shooting. So let me just dig it, then at the end we have to count and see the numbers. So if you have been watching this video, following this experiment, so this experiment I've been making video every week to show you the progress of the experiment. So this is another one that is still shooting. So we have so many. So these are suckers. You can now see this is sucker. This is sucker is already reproducing. So we can still take this one, reactivate any of this one, we cut it and reactivate it. But we just want to, I just want to work only with these numbers, so we can see this one, as small it is already having 1, 2, 3 at the corner. That's that small sucker. So let me just we're digging to see how they are doing. So I just want you to watch this video to the end, share and subscribe. If you have not understood anything, you can ask your question, or if you have not know how we arrive at this level, then I want you to ask a question. Continue watching, go and search my channel. You will see where we started this process of this sucker. So as I told you, that this sucker alone has to give us at least 1,000 seeds we want from this sucker. So this small one alone has given this small one, you can see 1, 2, 3 that it has given us. Then you can see this one you can see the number that is still given at the corner. So our experiment is working very well as the sucker keep producing, keep growing. So I told you that this experiment we're making is going to give us at least 1,000 suckers. I'm not doubting my word. I know what I'm talking about. So we can see how it is. So I'm going to wash it as I'm always doing, so that you can really see it clearly. Permit me to wash it so that you can see what I'm showing you. Maybe as I'm talking like this, you are not understanding, you are not seeing, you are not. So guys, so this is our sucker. I hope now we can see very clearly. We can see the numbers of suckers that this sucker alone has given us for now. So let's start counting again. So we start from here. This one, you can see a little one at the corner. That is 1, 2, 3. It has also given another sucker at the corner. That is 4. We have 5. This one. We have you see this one has given us 3 at the corner. There is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we look up this way. That is 9. That is 9. You have this one is 10. You have this one is 10. You have this one is 10. We have this is 11. This one is a root. 11. This is a sucker this way. 11, 12. Then 13 here. 13. 14, 15 at the corner. Here is 16 at the corner. 16. We have 16. 16. We have 17 here. We have 18. You can see 18. There are 2. We have 18. We have 18. 19 at the corner. 19. 19. 19. 19. We have 20 here. 21. I hope you are seeing 21. 22. 23. 24. 24. We have 25 here that is still shooting. 25. We have 26. We have 26. 27 here. So for now we have about 27 suckers that has already germinate as for this level. But if you want to really multiply the suckers in your farm, depending the size of your farm, we have these big suckers. This one you can discharge it now and nurse them, or you can still reactivate this one. So if you want to reactivate this one, you have to cut it, then you cut it again into 4 to reactivate it. But for me, I'm not going to reactivate it. But let me just show you, or should I show you what you have to do? Should I show you how to reactivate the sucker? In the next video, I will show you how to reactivate the sucker. But for this sucker, this is how you have to produce. We see our mother plant here is still very fresh. See, it's still, you can see, it's still very fresh, so it can give us as much suckers as we want. So we can see the quantity that this sucker has been able to give us at this moment, and we still believe that we'll still have many suckers. I say that this sucker alone has to give us 1,000 suckers. Yes, and he has to give the 1,000 sucker. It's not something that we are doubting. It is something that we know that he has to give us that amount of sucker, even if we have not reactivate all this one. Because many people at this level, you can reactivate this one. You can reactivate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sucker. So you can reactivate it to give more again, another sucker. But in this video, I'm not going to reactivate it. I just want us to work only with this experiment alone. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like the video. If you like it, then I want you to say something. Just say a word, even thanks. Just say a word, then I will be very happy. But if you want me to make a special video for you, I can make a special video for you depending on what you want. So thank you guys for watching this video. I want you to share the video, subscribe, and keep watching my video. So thank you guys. See you in my next video.